Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can withdraw your crypto from your Trust wallet into your bank account. Now, if you do not know, banks do not hold crypto. So of course you cannot just put your Bitcoin into your bank. You need to sell your Bitcoin, get the money and transfer that money into your bank account. Well, you cannot sell crypto in Trust wallet. Trust wallet is just a wallet to store your crypto. So how this works is crypto which is in your Trust wallet, you need to transfer it into a platform which allows you to sell it. It could be Binance, it could be Coinbase. Once you put your crypto into that platform, you sell it. After you sell it, you get cash. And that cash from Binance or Coinbase or any other platform which you want to use, from that platform, you can transfer it into your bank account. So from Trust Wallet, you cannot directly transfer your crypto into bank because banks don't hold crypto. First, transfer your crypto into a website where you can sell it. Make sure it's not a scamming website, it's a legit website. Transfer it there, sell it, and then transfer that money from that, platform, whether it's Binance or Coinbase, into your bank. That's the only way you guys can get your crypto into your bank. So I hope you understand how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.